Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to define invoicing scope for a specific client in Clerk. By invoicing scope we mean a set of hours logged in Jira or Tempo by our team that should be paid by a specific client. In the Clerk Invoices client profile there are no specific settings for that. We need to use invoice or invoice template time filters to define the invoicing scope. If we want to create invoices manually, we need to put the right time filter for each time baseline. This time filter will define the invoicing scope for this particular client. We can filter time by many different parameters. But the most convenient way to define invoicing scope is to create invoice templates for this client. These invoice templates are used by the invoice generator every time we need to create the invoice for this client. For example, we can generate monthly invoices for this client from these invoice templates. And invoice templates have same time filters as invoices. You can watch a separate detailed video that shows how invoice templates and invoice generator work. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.